5. Today we will make together a quick revise or summing up about chapter 4. Okay, let's start. We know that the matter exists in 3 states. Okay, what are the states of matter? Solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, so we have 3 states of matter that include solid, liquid, and gas. Matter can change from one state to another by using heating or cooling. Okay, so by using heating or cooling, we can change from one state to another, from solid to liquid, from liquid to gas, from gas to liquid, from liquid to solid, and so on. Okay, matter can undergo a change in a state through processes. Okay, such as freezing, melting, boiling, evaporation, and condensation. Okay, let's start with first process, which known as boiling. Water changes to water vapor most quickly when it is boiled. So, what's meant by boiling? Boiling means is a process of heating liquid until it changes into gas. Okay, again, what's meaning by boiling a process? Is a process of heating a liquid until it changes into gas. Okay, and the temperature at which a liquid boils is known as boiling point. Boiling point. Okay, so boiling point means the temperature at which liquid boils and it changes into gas. Okay, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, and the water vapor that its temperature reaches to 100 degrees Celsius in this case known as steam. Okay, the second process known as evaporation. Okay, what's meant by evaporation? Evaporation is a process of changing liquid to gas by heating without boiling. Okay, again, evaporation means is the process of changing liquid state to gaseous state by heating without boiling. Okay, the difference between boiling and evaporation. Evaporation takes place in our environment all the time. Okay, unlike boiling, it can take place at any temperature. For example, if you spray perfume on your arm, the droplets will soon disappear. Okay, after spraying perfume, the droplets of the perfume will soon evaporate. Like perfume, the sweat on our skin will eventually disappear due to the evaporation process. After it rains, puddles of rainwaters will dry up due to the evaporation. Also, our wet clothes dry due to the evaporation. Water from the wet clothes evaporates by the effect of heat energy coming from the sun to become water vapor. This makes our clothes dry. Okay? So, we have many examples for evaporation in our daily life. Okay? Also, we have some factors that affect on the rate of the evaporation. What's meant by the effect the rate of evaporation? By increasing the evaporation or decreasing the rate of evaporation. What are the factors that affect on the rate of the evaporation? We have 4 factors. Factor number 1, temperature. Factor number 2, wind. Factor number 3, humidity. Factor number 4, exposed surface area. Okay, let's talk about the first factor, temperature. Okay, in hotter surrounding, water can gain more heat and evaporate faster. Evaporation takes place more quickly during the day time than at night time, as water is able to gain more heat energy coming from the sun when the sun, okay, is out. So, the general conclusion, the higher the temperature of the surrounding, okay, the higher the rate of evaporation. Again, if we have both pools have the same amount of water at the beginning, The water in bowl A changes from liquid state to gaseous state more quickly than in bowl B as the temperature of the surrounding is higher. Okay, so the general conclusion, the higher the temperature of the surrounding, the higher the rate of evaporation. So, second factor that affects the rate of evaporation, wind. Okay. When wind is present, the water vapor that is formed by evaporation just above the surface of the water is carried away more quickly. This makes a space for more newly formed water vapor to escape into the air. So, the general conclusion, the stronger the wind, the faster the rate of evaporation. Again, the stronger the wind, the faster the rate of evaporation. Thank you, Year 5, for your good listening.